17, it's week 5, and we were discussing the topic trigonometry. In last class, we had discussed some of the little bit tricky questions of the topic trigonometry, and we had discussed how you find the area and perimeter of a triangle. Perimeter of any shape is sum of all its sides, all the outer side, not the internal side. And we had discussed that how you are going to solve the question in which more than two right angle triangles are involved, right? That was the last class. I hope that it was clear to you. In today's class, we are going to solve some complex question in which two or three unknowns are present at a time, right? So we are going to discuss it today. And what are the mistakes that most of the student makes in trigonometry? Maybe you won't make a mistake in your classwork or homework, but what are the mistakes that a student make in assessment or exam? So we are going to discuss it today. And there are some key points that make this topic easy. So we are going to discuss it in today's topic. So let's begin.
Okay class, so it's lecture number 17 and week number 5. In last class we were discussing about the topic trigonometry, and the last question we have attempted in last class was include the perimeter and area, right? So perimeter, we know that sum of all lengths or all sides is called perimeter, and area of a triangle is 1 upon 2 base multiplied by height, right? So that was the last question we had discussed in our lecture number 16. So today we are going to attempt some more examples of book 2, 7th edition, right? Now in last two classes we have done many questions, so I expect that now in this class you are going to attempt more questions, right? So today example number 1. Right, so in this coordinate, well, we have this value. Let's first name the points A, B, C and D. Now here I am writing the data. The value of AB is 20 centimeter. The value of AB is equals to 35 centimeter. We need to find the value of CD is equals to X, and you need to find the angle BAD, right? So BAD means that this angle A is unknown. So that is your first X. Oh, sorry, I take CD as X. So let's say that this angle is Y and the side CD is X, right? Also we have the value of B and C, that is 8. So that is your question, and you need to find the values of CD and X. So at this point, what I expect from you and what you need to do, pause the video and start the working by yourself. You need to judge yourself that where you are heading, right? So first thing I'm going to label the dimensions on my figure. So the value of A till D is 20. The value of AB is 35. The value of B to C, it's 8, right? And we need to find the values of X and Y. So before starting my question, I'm going to draw the line here. Can you tell me the answer why we need this length? Because if we didn't draw this length, that means we don't have a right angle triangle. By drawing this length, basically I got the right angle triangle, right? And if we get right angle triangle, that means now we can apply trigonometry here. Now the second thing, this total length is 20, right? And this length is 8. So basically you can find out the length of A to D. And the length AD, it will be 20, the whole length, subtract 8. So it's 12. Now you have the length AD, that is 12, right? We need to find the value of y. So first thing, the data. Hypotenuse is 35, adjacent is 12, and opposite is, now see, if this length CD is x, that's mean that this length from B to this point, it's also x, right? So I'm going to place here x, and the value of opposite is x, right? So far so good. So first thing, I'm targeting y. That means we need to find angle. And for angle, you need to remember that angle we need to do function inverse. Keep in mind, whenever we need to find the angle, there is an inverse involved. Now for the angle y, I need to use 12 and 35. So 12 adjacent and hypotenuse is 35. And that is not the value of AD. Let's suppose this point is P. So this value is AP. Now 12 is my adjacent and H is my 35. So adjacent and hypotenuse comes in cos. So it will be cos, angle is y, adjacent is 12 and hypotenuse is 35. So at first we need to divide 12 with 35. It will be 0.343. 0.343 is equals to cos y. Now if you shift cos on the right side, so it will be y is equals to cos inverse of 0.343, right? And we know that cos inverse can be obtained by pressing shift and cos. So when you press the cos inverse, it's 69.9, or we can say that the value of y is 70 degree, right? That is the value of y. After value of y, you need to find the opposite, that is x. Now keep in mind, we need to use y to find the value of x. X can easily find out by using 12 and 35. So that means we need to apply Pythagoras here to find the value of x. So for x, it will be equals to 35, that is the hypotenuse. 35 square is equals to, opposite is x square plus adjacent is 12 square. 35 square is 1225 is equals to x square plus 12 square is 144. So 1225 minus 144, it's 1081 is equals to x square, and then root on both sides. So the value of x is 32.87, that is your value x, right? So if you have done the